Festivals in India are incomplete without homemade sweets and crispy snacks. And today we're making Holi special snacks. So let's get started. First we'll begin with the classic festive favorite Gujiya. In a large bowl add atta, maida and ghee. Rub the ghee into the flour using your fingers until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Now slowly add water and knead into a tight dough. Let's prepare the filling. For this, in another bowl, combine freshly grated coconut, roasted suji, crushed almonds, raisins, cardamom powder and powdered sugar. Mix everything really well. Now place a heaped teaspoon of filling right in the center, fold and seal using a Gujiya mold or by hand. Now heat oil or ghee on medium flame. Fry the Gujiyas until they turn beautifully golden brown. Now you can glaze them lightly with sugar syrup if you prefer a shiny finish. Let them cool slightly and they are ready to serve. Now let's move on to something indulgent, Malpua with Kesar Rabri. Start by heating milk in a heavy bottom pan. Let it come to a boil. Now take a few spoons of hot milk separately and soak saffron strands in it. Now mix until the milk turns a beautifully golden color. Keep aside. Once the milk boils, reduce the flame and add condensed milk. Let it boil again. Now add milk powder to help thicken the milk. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reduces in quantity. Once it thickens, add the saffron-infused milk. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes until it reduces further and turns a rich saffron in color. Switch off the flame and let it cool. Your luscious Kesar Rabri is ready. Now to prepare the Malpua batter, in a bowl add atta, fennel seeds, cardamom powder. Now slowly add milk little by little and mix everything until you get a smooth pouring consistency batter. Cover and let it rest for some time. Now in a kadhai add sugar and water. Boil just until the sugar dissolves. No need for stirring consistency. Now add cardamom and saffron. Let it boil briefly and switch off the flame. Now heat ghee in a shallow pan. Pour a ladle full of batter onto the pan. Cook until golden brown on one side. Flip and cook the other side. Once done, you can dip them briefly in sugar syrup if you like. Now place the warm malpuas on a plate. Pour generous Kesar Rabri on top. Finish with chopped dry fruits. And there you have it, rich festive melt in the mouth malpua with rabri. And just like that, your festive platter is ready. Crispy Gujiya and indulgent Malpua with Kesar Rabri. Perfect for Holi or any celebration with family. If you've enjoyed this festive recipe video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.